going on, man? You go ahead and put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. What are you doing to me, man? 31, he's running. Get back here. Get on the ground. 31, you're gonna get tased. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. 31, he's running. Taser's deployed. He's not on the ground. He's still running from me. Stop right there. Stop. You're gonna get tased. Stop. 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 Get back over here now. Get back over here now. You're gonna get tased. 31. We're behind the house, right in front of a 526 Kiln. Get over here. Get over here now. Get over here now. Get over here now.
I am coming.
Get over here now. Get over here now.
Man, don't shoot me that thing.
Get over here now. I'm not going to tell you again. 31, taser deployed again. You're going to get it again. Get on the ground. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach now. Roll over. You're going to get it again. I'm not playing with you. Get on your stomach now. Get on your stomach. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Both of them.